So clearly investors are welcoming the upgrade in terms of the outlook. What is underpinning that more positive and constructive view?
Well, we let investors to do their job. We do ours. And we do feel in a very good place. We are in an extraordinary place of comfort by combining two amazing companies that together they are even better, even stronger, even better equipped to develop and bring value-added solutions to our customers, and while generating accretive and sustainable value growth for our shareholders. The update of the guidance, it is a clear point, one point more, showing that we are in a good place, a place of comfort. We're seeing a positive momentum on the integration of both companies. We're doing very well on the cost synergies. We're at 80% run rate of the 80 to 90 million cost synergies that we committed to. We are on good momentum also with the growth synergies. And together, collectively, we see extraordinary also good collaboration with our customers. So that leads a great on EBIT margin and moving on to the high end of our revenue, but also moving firmly on the long-term expectations.
Do those revenues, in terms of the synergies on revenues, does that give you further upside, do you think, in the quarters ahead? I mean, are we looking at further upgrades before the end of this year, before this year is out?
So we are committed to the guidance that we have just announced, but then especially we are recommitting today in Capital Markets Day, it's a special day today for us. We're recommitting our commitment of 6 to 8% growth till 2025, also with ambition to accelerate that growth after that. And that growth will be, that accelerated growth is exactly what you're underpinning, Tom. It is continuing the momentum of extraordinary company, but at the same time collecting the growth of the now even better portfolio, better equipped to grow with our customers.
You touched on clients, which is interesting. Has the merger with Hansen allowed you to bring on more clients? Are you seeing that?
We're becoming better for our customers. Now we have enzymes and microbes that together we can co-create the solutions that they better respond, the answers for our customers. We bring alternatives to regenerative agriculture. We bring alternatives for plant-based food, for clean label, for plastic recycling, for clean and sustainable fuels. That when you have a stronger biotech powerhouse, you're even better to provide those answers.
And you're seeing more clients and customers as a result of that?
We see us connecting better and bringing more solutions to the existing customers. We are present in more than 30 different markets. And now with a stronger sales force, we are a better partner for those customers.
What does it mean for the innovation pipeline?
It means that, for example, if you are in the dairy industry, now with the combined portfolio of Novonesis, our customers, they can have not only extraordinary cultures, but also the very best enzymes to make more yield, more cheese, more yogurt, more taste, more flavor, with also clean label. If you are in agricultural, you have the co-creation of plants, of microbes and enzymes bringing also higher yields. If you are in probiotics, now you have also stronger portfolio that we can bring and cross-fertilize the solutions.
And you've been doing a lot in terms of precision fermentation, which is another way of making protein. What is the potential market cap of that part of the business, the market size of that part of the business?
Today we see an addressable market for Novonesis collectively as a company of 20 billion US dollars.
Okay.
That's the 20 billion euros. That's the addressable market cap, addressable market that we see for our company. But that comes by smoothly and firmly replacing the solutions of the past, replacing fossil-based solutions, replacing ingredients, bringing clean label, bringing alternatives that provide lower sugar added. It is slowly and firmly growing our path. And we agree with the projections that they say that the bioeconomy are going to more than multiply by 7 within the next 2 decades. We know that's true, and we're going to make that happen.
How do you think weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic are going to change this market?
Well, what we see from the consumer, from our customers and then the consumers, is an increasing awareness of health, an increasing willingness to move into healthier products without compromising taste, performance, nor cost. And all that, it is through biosolutions. Wegovy is probably one driver more of that acceleration. We very early to say the impact, but for sure moving into that trend. We are.
But is it a threat or is it an opportunity?
For us,
the weight loss drug phenomenon.
No, for us, definitely it is an opportunity. The willingness for better, cleaner, and healthier. It also an opportunity, the need for higher protein. We see a strong momentum from our customers asking for more protein, not in dairy solutions, for example. And that's coming with enzymes. That's coming with also cultures that they make more protein on those yogurts that you will be able to use as a complement. And we also see an increasing pull for better probiotics that they complement the gastrointestinal health and the microbiome, that at the end it makes us feel better.
What are you seeing in terms of volumes in the current quarter?
We are in a good path. We don't give guidance for the quarter, right?
Yeah.
We give guidance for the year, and we just upgraded the guidance.
You're being cautious, but it's looking positive in terms of volume, because you talked about pricing. So I just want to get a steer in terms of the volumes and how that evolves.
We're going the growth this year is mainly through volume. Pricing is a component, but on the upgraded guidance that we're bringing on revenue to the upper end of the guidance, that we're coming to the upper end of the revenue guidance, we continue to see that volume is going to be the main driver of our growth.
Okay, volume is going to be the main driver. Ester Baiget, thank you very much.